Yo, what up people, what's good? Your boy Bebout here again, and I am back with a new video. And you guys know it's Techtember, so we got the techs rolling. Let's start with the unboxing videos, showing you guys all the new techs that are coming out. And this video is actually a special video because this is going to be my first Android on the channel, and this is also the first Android I'll be using in like 7 years. So when the company NUU reached out to me and be like, hey, do you want to check out this phone? I was like, why not? Let me see what's going on. This phone is packed with lots of technology. Like the camera is about 50 pixel, about 120 hertz on the display. So many stuff going on. Let's see if it got motion or if it just all talk. So let's get unboxing. All right, cool. I'm just gonna be using this nail cutter right here because I don't have a knife. So I don't know what color is gonna be. I wish, honestly, whichever color it is fine by me, because the gold one, the black one, whatever. But let's get right into it. Whew, I'm actually nervous right now. Okay, let's tear the paper bag. Ooh, I love how this is very simple, and I believe from what I've read, I believe like it has like the charger adapter inside. Enough of me talking. Let's see what's inside the box. So how do I open this? I think I have to open it from right here. Boom. Ooh, we got the black one. Yo, this is huge. Bro, look at this. This is huge. Bro, look at this phone, bro. Bro, it's very premium looking. And it's very light as well. It's very light. Bro, check this out, bro. Oh my God, bro. No, this is actually light and clean, bro. Damn. Bro, this caught me off guard. I'm not gonna lie. This phone caught me off guard. I wish I was wearing black actually, but you know what? It's all good. But I'm glad my mat is black. But bro, the feel is actually, bro, it's very premium looking. Got the button on the side. Oh, I think I turned it on. Okay, I didn't turn it on. Got the SIM right here. Okay, what else do we have? We got a headphone jack, the speakers, and the USB-C port. Damn. Okay, so see from here right now, it says it has 5,000 milliamp power battery, 50 megapixel on the main camera, 2 megapixel, 4G, which is not bad for $159 phone, 6.7 inches phone, which is like about the size of the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But let's see what else is in the box. We got a charging adapter. How many watts is this? I can't find. Oh, it's about 18 watts. Oh yeah, it's about 18 watts. And what else do we get? We get a charging adapter, the cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, which we love to see. You know what I'm saying? All right, what else do we see in the box? Whoa, no way. It also comes with a phone case. Bro, for $159, that is crazy, bro. It also comes with a phone case. God damn. No way, bro. What else is in the box? Yeah, we got there's no SIM injector tool. What? No SIM injector tool? Oh, hell no. Bro, what the hell? There's no SIM injector tool. Oh, am I tripping? Wait, I think I'm tripping, bro. There's no SIM injector tool in this. But it's all good. I think right here. I'm tripping, bro. Right.
That nigga's tripping.
I got the SIM injector tool as well. The bad thing is I use the iPhone 14 Pro and I live in the US, so I don't have a physical SIM card right now, but I'll probably get a new SIM because I'm going to be using this phone as my Android to test out all the Android things I want to try out. I can't imagine playing games on this phone. You guys let me know if I'm not looking at the camera. I just feel like I've not been looking at the camera. All right, let's take this off. Whoa. Oh, they have bro, look at this, bro. They have a screen protector like built in. It already have a screen protector. That is crazy. Bro, no, this is a very underrated phone. Now, let me turn it off. You don't got no juice? Oh, okay. Oh, woof. Powered by Android. Shout out to NUU for sending me this phone. My phone is getting ready. But the brightness is just crazy. I don't know how many nits of brightness it has, but bro, this phone is Game changer. Magnifico. That's probably gonna take hella time. All right, guys. So why the phone is booting, or why it's doing its thing? I'm just gonna talk about like a few things that they mentioned. So I've just been all around the place trying to figure out how this phone works. Not because this phone has a problem, but just personally, it's been a while since I used an Android phone. So I've just been like messing around with it, trying to see what's going on, how to navigate around the settings and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a pretty solid phone so far. To be honest, it's already 7 p.m. That's crazy. I feel like I didn't mention what phone this is. Like, I know it's from NUU. Shout out to NUU for sending me this phone. It's a new phone. A new phone. But yeah, I didn't mention the exact model this is. So this is the A25, and it's a new phone actually. It's a new phone from NUU. It's a new phone actually. Some things I'm just gonna touch on real quick is the build quality. Very premium looking. But I'm not going to lie, it's looking so much like an iPhone. I actually did a side-to-side view with my iPhone 14 Pro, and it just looks like the same thing. The only difference was just the NUU and the camera bump on the iPhone 14 Pro. But this phone has a 50 megapixel main camera, which uses AI for like the camera supports. I think it helps you get like a more detail. It helps you retain more detail on your image and stuff like that, which is cool to see, which I'm going to be testing out, by the way. And also has a 2 megapixel micro camera and also a VGA camera. So we got to test the cameras, you feel me? Alright, so this is what the front-facing camera looks like when you're recording a video, and I'm currently recording with Full HD, which is the best quality this phone has. But if you also want to know about the audio quality, I'm also recording with the audio right now. So yeah, that's how it is. You know what I'm saying? The video quality is not the best, but I mean, for what you're paying for, this is what you get. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Now, in terms of like the touch screen ID for security, it's actually very fast. Like, check this out. Check this out. Boom. Wait, what? Boom. All right, cool. Boom. Boom. And the Face ID is also very, very quick. Like, the Face ID is very quick. As soon as you just click on it, it works very fast. Yeah. Now, it only has a one-sided speaker, USB-C, an headphone jack, and a microphone, all on the downside of the phone. Yo, let me test the speakers real quick. So it's actually loud, but it has a little bit of muffle, like if you guys hear that. Yeah, it has that. I don't know, there's just something about the speaker. But the good thing is it has headphone jack, so if you want to use your headphones or your AirPods, I think it connects perfectly. Like for me personally, I use Apple Music and I already downloaded Apple Music. So yeah, a solid ground, you know what I'm saying? So let's move to the next one. I'm also going to be testing games on this. I was actually playing Call of Duty on this, and it was actually very solid, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I think this is what I'm going to be using the phone for. I'm going to be using it to play games, to be honest. Now this is for the processing speed. God damn. Bomba clap nigga, bro. We won. We won, you know what I'm saying? Woo! We won. Who's the man of the... See? Check this out. I'm the man of the match. I'm the man of the match. But yeah, that's actually solid. Playing game on this phone, it feels smooth. Like, it's not even lagging. The phone doesn't get hot. Yeah, it doesn't get hot. With that, and with that 6 gigabytes of RAM, you could do crazy stuff with this. In terms of the refresh rate, it has 125 hertz refresh rate, and as you guys could see, it runs pretty smooth, very, very smooth. I don't know, I'm gonna do a comparison with my iPhone side by side to see which one is faster, because I think the iPhone 14 Pro is also at 125 hertz refresh rates. So let's see if this is doing good, you know what I'm saying? Now, in terms of storage, you get 128 gigabytes of storage, and if you need more, you can also add a micro SD card that goes into the same place that your SIM card goes. So if you have your SIM injector tool and you pop it in, you're gonna see the space for your SIM card and also the micro SD card, which is actually great to see. In terms of hardware, this phone has 5000 milliamp hour battery, so you could probably use this phone for up to 2 days, which we love to see, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're an average user, you don't like do crazy stuff on your phone, you just maybe make calls and all that good stuff, you know, take pictures here and there, you should be straight, you know what I'm saying? And it also supports USB-C 2.2, so charging this phone, ease, you know what I'm saying? And one thing that I just have to appreciate about this phone is, look how big it is, right? You guys see how big this is? Bro, it is very light, bro. This is a lightweight phone. Like, you're not even gonna feel like you have this phone with you when you're carrying it. Now, the phone supports 4G network, so you don't get 5G on this phone, 4G, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty solid deal, if you ask me my opinion. So, a quick summary of the phone, you know what I'm saying? 50 megapixel main camera, 125 hertz refresh rates, 128 megapixel, 128 gigabytes of storage. What more can you ask for? Now, if you guys are looking for something that is lower in terms of price, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be unboxing another one. So as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.